Hi everyone, in this practice set number 4.4, we will study the theorem of an equal ratio. Okay, what do you mean by theorem of an equal ratio? I will explain you. Now I have taken this, a upon b is equal to c upon d. Then when we apply the theorem of an equal ratio, then answer will come here. Okay, our ratio will come here. See here, a plus c. What is this? A plus c upon denominator b plus d is equal to c upon d. All these are theorem of an equal ratio. Now we will study the practice set number 4.4. Okay, here I have taken the question 5m minus n is equal to 3m plus 4n. Now I will rearrange this. See here, first I will rearrange this. Like terms I will take one side. 5m minus 3m is equal to 4n plus n. Now 5m minus 3m is equal to 2m, and 4m plus 1n, 4n plus 1n, 5n. So our answer will come here, m upon n is equal to 5 upon 2. m upon n is equal to 5 upon m upon n is equal to 5 upon 2. Understand? Now I will solve this question. M square plus n square is equal to upon m square minus n square. Understand? Now what we will do here, while solving this, I will apply the componendo dividendo property by componendo and dividendo property. See here, for this I will, what we will do, m upon n means as it is 5 upon 2, and m square upon n square means what, 5 square 25, 2 square 4. Okay, I will apply this in question. See here, m square means 25, n square means 4 upon 25 minus 4. I applied this property. Now 25 plus 4, answer is 29, and 25 minus 4, answer will come here 21. This is our final answer. Okay, I have applied this componendo dividendo property. And next it is an given question is, if a bracket y plus z is equal to b bracket z plus x is equal to c bracket x plus y, in this what, a b c, no two of them are equal, then we have to show this ratio. Okay, first of all, what we will do here, denominator is nothing, so we will multiply. Okay, multiplied by 1 upon ABC for whole this equation. Our answer will come here, a y plus z upon ABC is equal to b z plus x upon ABC is equal to c x plus y upon ABC. See here, a cut, b cut, c cut. Our answer will come here, y plus z upon BC is equal to z plus x upon AC is equal to x plus y upon AB or BA. Now see here, we want this, show that. Okay, now what I will do here, see, first of all, denominator, I will arrange this denominator. See here, first of all, when we want this, show that AB minus AC. What is AB? X plus y. What is AC? Z plus x. When we will subtract, minus z minus x. Now next term is BC minus AB. What is BC? Y plus z. What is AB? Minus x minus y. Why minus? Because it is an negative denominator. Last term is AC minus BC. What is AC? Z plus x. And what is BC? Minus y minus z. See here, plus x minus x cut. Okay, plus y minus y cut, plus z minus z cut. Now what is the remaining? I will write here in the denominator. See here, y minus z is equal to, see here, z minus x is equal to x minus y. Now in this both a is common, I will taken b minus c. In this b is common, c minus a. In this c is common, a minus c. See, when you compare this, both these are equal. See here, y minus z z minus x, x minus y. Okay, show that. Okay, we have finished this x sum. Now I have taken the next question. See here, in this what we have to do, we will apply the theorem of an equal ratio. Okay, now I will directly see here, I will not explain what we have to do, but we have to only prove that a plus b upon 2. Now by equal ratio theorem, what I will do, add all this, ax plus by, all numerator, plus bx plus az plus ay plus bz upon all this denominator. I will add x plus y, x plus z plus y plus z. Now I will take this like terms nearer. See here, ax plus bx, ax plus bx, next ay plus by, ay plus by, next az plus bz, az plus bz. Now x how much time? 2 times, so 2x, y 2 times 2y, and z 2 times 2z. Okay, now you will see here, in this x common, so we will take here x common, a plus b. In this y common, we will take a plus b. In this z common, a plus b, and in this 2 common, x plus y plus z. Now in this a plus b common. Okay, I will write here. Therefore answer will come here, a plus b, and remaining x y z addition, x plus y plus z upon 2 x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z both cut, so our answer will come here, a plus b upon 2. We have proved. Now understand. Now next question I will take there. See, this is the question, and we have to prove this ratio, all this by x upon y. Now you will see here, in this number here, it nothing, not a 3 or 5 here it is. So I will, what I will do, multiply this ratio by third term by 5. Our answer will come here by the equal ratio theorem. 3x minus 5y plus x plus 5z, I will multiply this plus 5y minus 5z. Directly I have multiplied all this term. Now denominator as it is, 5z plus 3y plus y minus 5x, and multiply this plus 5x minus 5z. See here, minus 5y plus 5y cut, plus 5z minus 5z cut, plus 5z minus 5z cut, plus 5x minus 5x cut. Now what is the remaining? 3x plus 1x, 3x plus 1x, and 3y plus 1y, 3y plus 1y. Okay, now 3x plus 1x, 4x, 3y plus 1y, 4y, 4 cut, answer will come here, x upon y. It is proved. Okay, so thank you.